Tim's American Beauty was made by Robust Tools, America's premier lathe manufacturer. Quality hardened tool rests and live centers too. Robust. Built to turn wood. Enjoyed for a lifetime.
Thompson Lathe Tools. Welcome to a new level of professional wood-turning tools. Made by a woodturner, for woodturners.
This is gonna be fun. Right.
Okay, kids, we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Let's look at a party tool and the one main problem you can have with it, called a pinch. Wait for it. Boing! It's one of the most spectacular catches you can get, because not only does the wood fly apart, the tool becomes an object that moves around. And it shakes cameras. Let's try it one more time just for fun. Glad I bought all this body armor. So, what is actually happening when you're doing this? Well, look, I'm plunging that tool all the way into the wood, right? Well, there are dynamics going on there. Lots of them. You have a large piece of wood spinning. Well, maybe not that big, but it has a large horsepower motor behind it. And you have a sharp tool, and you're plunging it in. So, this does look like a recipe for disaster. But, again, there's lots of dynamics happening. So, exactly what is going on that causes that thing to go kablooey? So, as the tool plunges in, you can see I'm touching on that side with the wood, and I'm also touching on the other side with the wood. Now, if the wood gets a little wobbly or a little wonky, or I turn the tool a little bit left or right, I've got no room, right? So where that green arrow is, I need to come back out now and make a cut just half the width of the parting tool. That way I have room to play. I have room to make mistakes. That's called a relief cut. You want to make that every time you go. And if you look really carefully, you can see the bevel on the tool where I ground it. I don't want to go any deeper in that without making a relief cut, because at this point, the wood wants to start grabbing on the sides of the tool. Now, that happened real fast, so let's look at it in slow motion again. You can see there's no relief right here, so the wood is touching the sides of the tool. Also, now look, it's broken in the middle, so now it's flopping. And on the right side, on the tailstock, the wood stopped turning. On the headstock side, it's still turning, which makes a really big problem because something has to give. It's going to be the wood, it's also going to be the tool, which becomes a flying projectile, which can really hurt. Don't ask me how I know.
Oh, gross. Oh, ugh. Okay.
Tim's American Beauty was made by Robust Tools, America's premier lathe manufacturer. Quality hardened tool rests and live centers too. Robust. Built to turn wood. Enjoyed for a lifetime.
Thompson Lathe Tools. Welcome to a new level of professional wood-turning tools. Made by a woodturner, for woodturners.